The aim of this video is to show you how to put your axial lines on your architectural drawing or any other structural or mechanical drawing. So this right here is an architectural plan with the axial lines already there. So these axial lines are the lines on blue. These lines on blue are our axial lines running through the center to center of our walls. So to show you how to do it, I have to delete this and impute them again to show you how to put the axial lines. So to do this, I need to get the center of this wall. As you can see, that's my center. So I pick a line, go to the center of the line, center of the wall. I take a line up to a reasonable distance, then I bring it down to a reasonable distance as well. Click escape. Now if you look at this, you see that it has double lines there. I could delete this smaller line to ensure I have only one line there. So you select it, it's that small line. I'll delete it. Then now I have one line at the center of this wall. Change it to blue. So now to impute these axial lines on every side of the walls, what I'll do is to copy this line. But if you check now, you see that it's at the center. So you could just impute a line across any of your wall and put this your axial line at the center to mark the axial lines. So to input this line on other places, I will copy this, copy it, and remember where you pick the thing while copying and where you drop it is very important. So I'm picking it by the left hand side of the wall. I'm also dropping it at the left hand side of the wall, following so I will input it on the centers of the line now. If you check now, you see that I'm following, I'm ensuring it's at the same angle. If you look at this side now, I can't drop this axial line here because I don't have a wall by the left hand side there. So what I would do, I could copy this, pick it by the right hand side, so I could drop it at that same exact point. And if you look through, you can see that all my vertical axial lines are at the center. So what we just did now, we just have to repeat it on the vertical, on the horizontal axial side. You check this line there, I pick from the center, I repeat the same thing, go to a reasonable distance, click, bring it back, go to the right hand side, a reasonable distance, and you click. And you can ensure to remove that smaller line there, just copy it, cover and delete. So you have only one line there. So I could change the color to blue. So I just have to repeat the same thing, copy, pick at a reasonable place. Anywhere I pick it, it will be same place where I will be dropping it on the other parts of the wall. I'm picking it from the bottom. I'm also dropping it at the bottom end of each of these walls. So I just drop it in these places. So this will take care of all my vertical. So if you see in this case now, I'm dropping it away from following that exact point. It's not going at angle 90. So I will need to trim off this edge and make sure that my axial lines align. Because if your axial line does not align, when you pick, you take it as an external reference drawing to your design, you see that you have issues. So the problem here now is that these smaller walls here are the wall thickness are different from the external walls. So if I want to put an axial line there, I have to treat it separately. Put a line at across it and then get the center. So to ensure that every part of these axial lines are similar, I'll just have to extend the other parts, extend to be the same. I could take this now, copy it to the other side to ensure that they are. I'll also trim off this other part. So if you look clearly, you see that my axial lines are well inputted. Vertical lines at the centers, horizontal lines at the centers of the wall. If you check now, the places that are missing, you still have to work on them. Ensure that they are all there. So this this line could be these lines are continuous line. I want to change them to center lines. So I just have to go and load my line. With what you are seeing, I'm trying to load my line. You go to load, then you select them and then change the line type to center 2. And if you see now, they are not visible. I'll have to go to quick properties, change the scale to make it visible. So I'll put in scale 10 is that is a little bit visible but not visible enough. So I'm going to increase the scale to 100 just to make it visible, depending on how your system works. Sometimes 10 could be visible enough, but here now 100 makes it visible enough. So this is how to impute your axial lines. The next thing will be to put your axial level. Maybe in my next video I will do that. Thank you for watching.